Hey, what's going on? Happy Tuesday. A little cooler than it was yesterday. Feels good though. Well, as you can see, got the interior tore out of here. Well, not all of it, but back seat, front seat, and we're getting down my $300 purchase. I'm still not mad because the outside of it's, great condition, but floors, parts of the floor needing replaced. Not super surprising. I don't know the stuff they have splattered on there. I'm kind of hoping and praying that's not asbestos, but if it is, it is. Not like I haven't been exposed to that before. But we got a little bit of hold back here. No big deal. Little floor replacement, not a problem. And the trunk, which I knew the trunk was gone. Yeah. It's all laid up, so some floors and trunk floor. But today I'm gonna concentrate on getting this back piece cut off of here. And I'm waiting on 2 more floor jacks so that I can, because you're probably wondering, hey dummy, why don't you have the car braced up? Well, the top was cut out of this car at the other shop, and I didn't know I was gonna, buy it or anything, so no bracing done. But as I'm waiting on 2 more, I got my 2 floor jacks there. I got 2 more floor jacks coming so that I can level this car all up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and brace, because these are wobbly. So I'll do some X bracing in there and I'll get that all set up before I start setting that top. I didn't want you to think that I was I was just gonna go, because I did kind of throw the front up there, but I'm not worried about it. I know the key points to look for, as far as being able to get that windshield put back in there and make it where it don't look all funny. So, not a big deal. And I can go ahead and cut this out because we do have a good structural member back here. All this is solid and still welded in. There's a little tiny bit of rot here on one side, but it's all good and solid, so that'll hold the back of it together all right. So I can go ahead and cut that out, get it out of the way. And then I'll wait for those floor jacks to come in. I think they're going to be in on Thursday. So it'll be next week. Probably. Maybe, I don't know. I might be able to get to it this week. But we'll see. Then once I do that, I can start, I get everything where it's supposed to be. I can start tacking this back door in. Getting it set. And the biggest thing is figuring out on the top of the Hudson out there and the tops of those doors what I'm gonna be using to put all this back together, because I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Not sure yet. Still going back and forth on whether to lean this, because now that I look at it's kind of a small space. I may just leave it straight. We'll see. Just really depends on what it looks like. If it don't look right, then I'll do something different, So, anyway, all right, I'm going to go ahead and cut this back piece out of the way. And I will check back with you in a little bit. Later.